Hello everyone, welcomes to Flowers World. First up, rose. R O S E, rose. Next, tulip. T U L I P, tulip. Sunflower. S U N F L O W E R, sunflower. Lotus. L O T U S, lotus. Lily. L I L Y, lily. Orchid. O R C H I D, orchid. Hibiscus. H I B I S C U S, hibiscus. Dahlia. D A H L I A, dahlia. Daisy. D A I S Y, daisy. Marigold. M A R I G O L D, marigold. Here is your homework. Draw your favorite flower picture and color it. Let's test your memory. What is the name of this flower? Hibiscus. Very good. What is the name of this flower? Sunflower. Very good.